Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some study tips and tricks. The first is avoid study at night when you have an exam next day. This is the biggest mistake every student do and which makes them fall asleep next day in the examination hall. Instead of studying in the night time, we should always study in the morning time because we feel very energetic because of some peaceful and calming weather. Next you will do one chapter of a subject in which you are very weak. Believe me, this is very helpful if you will do. Next is during your 5 or 10 minute study breaks, always listen to some peaceful music. Don't watch any kind of movie on TV or your laptop. Next is put away your mobile phone. This is very difficult to do, but it's very helpful if you will do this. Next is educate yourself. This is the best technique which I'm using from years. This is very helpful to clear all of your difficult concepts. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understand every trick and technique. Comment me for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.